JG is the winner. The answer is C, distributor. I need that board real quick. Marlon's beard, man, Jacob. Oh. Dude. Hey, you want me to read it first or you want to eat it first?
You have to pick somebody to eat with you.
Oh, I got to pick somebody to eat with me? Or everybody else?
Get Tony. Tony's on like number 2.
True. Come on, Tony. You want me to start at 10?
Oh, God. All right. So this is level sauce 9.
Oh, man. It's 2 for me.
Hey, all I'm saying is you thought that last one was a big jump.
Bro, I bet. Oh.
So they call this one alchemy peppers. Alchemy peppers creates a unique number 9 sauce using ghost pepper, citrusy hops, and sweet tart watermelon. That's right, watermelon. This one weighed 641,000 on the Scoville heat units. Jacob, just to let you know, that last one was 135.
Bro. No, come on. You ready?
I'm ready.
Come on.
God bless, dude.
Tastes good right off the bat.
I shouldn't have hosted this. We should have let Tony host it.
Not yet.
It's about to hit.
I know.
I can feel it in my
It's
chest.
like watermelon right now.
All right, well, you know, we'll see what happens. Let's go ahead and start reading some more questions before I can't talk.
I'm waiting for